Online education for children. Are you ready? Hi kids, I'm an ostrich and I'm here to tell you about myself. I'm the largest bird in the world, but I can't fly. Instead, I run really fast, up to 45 miles per hour. My long, strong legs help me outrun predators and travel great distances. I live in the savannas and deserts of Africa, where I find plenty of plants, seeds, and insects to eat. My big round eyes help me spot danger from far away. I also have long eyelashes that protect my eyes from the dust and sand. My feathers are different from most birds. They are fluffy and not very good for flying, but they help me stay warm at night and cool during the day. Male ostriches have black feathers with white tips, while females have brownish-grey feathers that help them blend into their surroundings. I lay the largest eggs of any bird. My eggs are so big that one is the same size as about 2 dozen chicken eggs. These strong eggshells protect my chicks until they are ready to hatch. People often find me fascinating because of my size, speed, and unique looks. Let's be friends and learn more about the amazing world of ostriches together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cubs Corner for more exciting and educational content.